Hello, today we are diving into prestigious management institutes. They are IIMs, that is our Indian Institutes of Management. There are many kinds of IIMs. There are baby IIMs, there are new IIMs, and then there are BLACKI. Do you know what are BLACKIs? If no, you are up for a treat. BLACKI is an acronym given to top tier IIMs. It is not a ranking. Many people get confused that B must be the first ranked institute, L must be the second rank. No, it is not about ranking. All six are the top notch B schools of our India. All six are top notch B schools. By the way, have you ever wondered why they are termed as B schools and not B colleges? Well, we'll have it in some other video. Until then, let's talk about BLACKI. The first one is B. B for IIM Bangalore. The first one is IIM Bangalore. One word that comes to my mind as soon as I hear this is technology. Second, you will find academically sound students here. Students with work ethics here. So you are going to study with top-notch brains if you get there. The next IIM is IIM Lucknow. IIM Lucknow is famous for general management. So they give you chance to do various specializations. They are also known for academic rigor, that is they will grill you a lot. They will grill you second to our third BLACKI, which is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the college that grills you most on academics. Ahmedabad is known for consulting. So if you want to be a consultant, especially in strategy, go for it. The next in our list is IIM Kolkata. IIM Kolkata is the place if you wish to study finance. Some of the best finance and statistics faculty members are there. The next in the list is IIM 𝘄𝗄𝗄𝗺. If you wish to study management, being in nature, it is the place. It's like a hill station and gives a great management education. The next in the list is IIM Indore. IIM Indore gives a lot of weightage to academic excellence. That is, they will check your academic background. People with not so good academic backgrounds normally don't go there. No. They give a lot of weightage to your academic background. They also started 5-year integrated MBA, which is termed as IPM. Many students of 12th class die to go there. So you get a lot of diversity. Students from 12th, students with work ex, students without work ex, from different streams. So IIM Indore is for diversity. So these are our BLACKI. But I feel next year it will become BLACKI IIM, M for IIM Mumbai. Let's see what happens. Until then, goodbye.